Imagine waking up every day at exactly the same time, without an alarm clock, for 70 years.
This really happened, and it was the life of Queen Elizabeth II.
Welcome to Speak English with Aisell. I'm Aisell.
And I'm Abdurrahman.
Today, we tell you the story of her daily routine, the last Queen of England.
A woman who worked every single day, who drank tea at 5 p.m., who slept at 11 p.m.
Her story is full of discipline, habits, and royal secrets.
And you'll learn English while listening to this amazing true story.
So listen carefully, repeat after us. This is the routine of Queen Elizabeth.
The Queen woke up at 7:30 every morning.
7:30. Repeat after me. Woke up at 7:30.
Woke up at 7:30.
She did not use an alarm clock.
No alarm clock. How is that possible?
A staff member knocked on her door gently.
Knocked on her door. Repeat, please. Knocked on her door.
Knocked on her door.
Word number 1, morning routine.
Morning routine.
Word number 2, wake up.
Wake up.
Word number 3, alarm clock.
Alarm clock.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
Yes, we want to know your morning routine.
After waking up, she read the newspapers.
Read the newspapers. Repeat after me. Read the newspapers.
Read the newspapers.
The newspapers were delivered to her room.
Delivered to her room.
Word number 4, newspaper.
Newspaper.
Word number 5, delivered.
Delivered.
Then she took a bath and got dressed.
Took a bath. Got dressed.
Her clothes were always prepared the night before.
Prepared the night before? So organized.
Word number 6, bath.
Bath.
Word number 7, get dressed.
Get dressed.
Word number 8, clothes.
Clothes.
Word number 9, prepared.
Prepared.
At 9 a.m., she had breakfast with her husband.
Breakfast with her husband. Repeat, please. Breakfast with her husband.
Breakfast with her husband.
She ate cereal and drank tea.
Cereal and tea. Simple and healthy.
Word number 10, breakfast.
Breakfast.
Word number 11, husband.
Husband.
Word number 12, cereal.
Cereal.
Word number 13, tea.
Tea.
English breakfast tea was her favorite.
Her favorite. Repeat after me. Her favorite.
Her favorite.
Word number 14, favorite.
Favorite.
At 10 a.m., she started working.
Started working. Repeat, please. Started working.
Started working.
She read important documents from the government.
Important documents from the government.
Word number 15, work.
Work.
Word number 16, started.
Started.
Word number 17, documents.
Documents.
Word number 18, government.
Government.
Many people send her letters every day.
Sent her letters. Repeat after me. Sent her letters.
Sent her letters.
Word number 19, letters.
Letters.
Word number 20, sent.
Sent.
Let's take a short break. Tell us in the comments, do you read newspapers every day?
Yes, write your answer below. We read every comment.
At 1 p.m., she had lunch.
Had lunch. Repeat, please. Had lunch.
Had lunch.
She liked fish and vegetables.
Fish and vegetables. Very healthy choice.
Word number 21, lunch.
Lunch.
Word number 22, fish.
Fish.
Word number 23, vegetables.
Vegetables.
She did not drink alcohol during the day.
No alcohol? Wow. Repeat after me. No alcohol.
No alcohol.
Word number 24, alcohol.
Alcohol.
Word number 25, drink.
Drink. In the afternoon, she met important people.
Met important people. Repeat, please. Met important people.
Met important people. Sometimes she visited hospitals and schools.
Visited hospitals and schools. So kind.
Word number 26, afternoon.
Afternoon.
Word number 27, met.
Met.
Word number 28, people.
People.
Word number 30, hospitals.
Hospitals.
Word number 31, schools.
Schools.
At 5 p.m., it was tea time.
Tea time, my favorite part of the day.
This is a very British tradition.
British tradition. Repeat after me. British tradition.
British tradition.
She ate sandwiches and small cakes.
Sandwiches and cakes? Yum.
Word number 32, tea time.
Tea time.
Word number 33, British.
British.
Word number 34, tradition.
Tradition.
Word number 35, sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Word number 36, cakes.
Cakes.
Tell us in the comments, do you have tea time? What do you drink?
Yes, comment below. We want to know your habits.
At 7 p.m., she had dinner.
Had dinner. Repeat, please. Had dinner.
Had dinner.
She enjoyed eating with her family.
With her family. Beautiful moment.
Word number 37, dinner.
Dinner.
Word number 38, family.
Family.
Word number 39, enjoyed.
Enjoyed.
After dinner, she watched television.
Watched television. Like us.
She liked game shows and mysteries.
Game shows. Fun. Repeat after me. Game shows.
Game shows.
Word number 40, television.
Television.
Word number 41, watched.
Watched.
Word number 42, game shows.
Game shows.
Word number 43, mysteries.
Mysteries.
At 11 p.m., she went to bed.
11 p.m.? Early.
She slept for 8 hours every night.
8 hours? Perfect. Repeat after me. 8 hours.
8 hours.
Word number 44, bed.
Bed.
Word number 45, went.
Went.
Word number 46, slept.
Slept.
Word number 47, hours.
Hours.
Her routine was always the same.
Always the same. Consistent.
Word number 48, routine.
Routine.
Word number 49, same.
Same.
Word number 50, royal habits.
Royal habits.
Now let's practice together.
I'm ready for the exercise.
Question 1. What time did the Queen wake up?
7:30 in the morning.
Question 2. What did she eat for breakfast?
Cereal and tea.
Question 3. What is tea time?
5 p.m. tradition.
Great job, everyone.
You did amazing today.
Which word was new for you? Write one word in the comments.
Yes, we read every comment.
Subscribe for more stories like this.
And click the bell for the next episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.